Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kastur Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss some important methods present in dictionary in Python. Okay, so in our previous video we have seen how to initialize one dictionary, what is the main concept of dictionary data structure, that is it stores data as key value pair. Okay, one important point which you should remember, that in dictionary keys cannot be repeated. Okay, like here I am taking one dictionary which I have already made. So here I am pasting that E equal to 1 colon Soham 2 colon Satadru and comma Rajdeep colon 54. That is keys are 1, 2 and Rajdeep. Okay. Now suppose I am adding one more key which is of repetition. Okay. Suppose 1 again I am taking 1 colon, suppose I am taking some name Tom. Okay, now see here 1 is present, here also 1 is present, so keys are repeated. Right now if you run and print E, see what you will be getting: 1 colon Tom, 2 colon Satadru and Rajdeep colon 54. That is, dictionary never stores repeated key, it always stores distinct keys, and the last value which we are assigning to that particular key, that will be basically stored. Like here see, Soham is assigned to the key 1, and at last we have assigned the value Tom to the key 1, so the last assigned value is present in the original dictionary 1 colon Tom. Okay, then so in my previous video I have shown you how you can add new elements and update in dictionary. Now next concept comes remove. Okay, you want to remove some particular key value pair, what you should do? E dot. Okay, you can use tab completion, just hit the tab and you will be getting all the methods related to dictionary in Python. So pop, so we have seen pop operation in list and set. Similarly in case of dictionary also this pop is present. Okay, which is used to remove a particular key value pair. Now in dictionary there is no concept of indexing, right? What we do, we want to extract values corresponding to a particular key, we give the key in the square bracket with the variable name. Suppose you want to get the value corresponding to the key 2, we write E then square bracket 2. There is no concept of indexing. Okay, because it will not follow any indexing the proper insertion order like that. Okay, so if you want to remove some particular key value pair, you have to pass the key via pop. Okay, suppose I am passing 2. Okay, E dot pop 2. So what it will do, it will remove the key value pair corresponding to the key 2 and it will return the value. Okay, suppose I am writing rs equal to E dot pop. Okay, if I run and if I now print E, see you will not be getting the key value pair corresponding to the key 2. But if I print rs, see what you will be getting, you will be basically getting Satadru, which is the value corresponding to the key 2. Okay, so this pop can be used to pop or remove a particular key value pair from a dictionary and that value will be returned. Suppose you don't want to return that particular value, you just simply want to delete. What you can do, so what is my E? So let me just define E once more. Yep, here if we have defined E, and now suppose I want to delete the corresponding to key 2. Okay, so del E then bracket 2 you have to write. Okay, now if I print E, I will not be getting the key value pair corresponding to the key 2, but del will not return anything. Like we have seen, pop was returning us the value, but del will not return us anything. Okay, so now next concept is, suppose you want to pop or delete a particular key value pair for which key does not exist. What you can do, so suppose I am writing E dot, what is my current E, let us check, 1 colon Tom and Rajdeep colon 54. Suppose I want to pop or remove the key value pair corresponding to the key 9, which is not present. If you run, you will be getting key error. Okay, same goes for delete also. If you write del E of 9, you will be getting key error. Okay, because those keys are not present itself. You want to remove the complete dictionary, see here E is having this key value pair, you just simply need to write del E. Okay, and the E will be completely removed. If you write E, there is nothing e dictionary is present, name error you will be getting. Okay, but suppose you are having this dictionary, let me just copy and paste here, and you want to clear this. Okay, you want to remove all the elements, but you don't want to remove the dictionary. Okay, then you need to write e dot clear. Okay, if I run and if I now print e, I will be getting one empty dictionary. Okay, you know, I remember I have told you in my first video itself that empty dictionary can be denoted with curly brackets. Okay, so this is how clear, delete and pop works in case of Python for removing certain element or key value pair from dictionary in Python. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.